At Fluke, we're asked about the best practices when it comes to installing and testing PV systems. My name is Sean Sylvie, and I'm a product application specialist at Fluke. So typically in an installation, you'll have several connections. You'll have your inverter connections, your combiner box connections. Best practice is to make sure that all of this is tight, connected, and your wire management is secure, that nothing can fall out. Also too, best practice is to have a technician using a clamp meter to make sure that you're not overloaded. So having the essential tool like a clamp meter or a high voltage clamp meter to make sure that the strings for the inverter are not overloaded. It's important to use the right tools with the right CAT ratings. Also, make sure you have the proper PPE gear on, which is your personal protective equipment. Good tools are essential on the job, and also to ensure technicians go safely home to their families when their jobs are done.